the first of two popular X models with major updates for 2021. Our unique crossover machine now has 4 riding modes with different parameters, plus a user-programmable mode operating through throttle by wire. Each mode has a bespoke shift pattern for our unique dual-clutch transmission gearbox. The performance is sportier, with 3 kilowatts more power, shorter ratios for the first 3 gears, and a 3 kilogram weight reduction. There's also an even more rugged design, a fantastic new 5-inch TFT dash, and increased weather protection and storage space. In similar vein, the supremely versatile NC750X also now benefits from punchier engine performance and a sharper new look. And it is even more practical than ever, with more storage space in its unique luggage compartment. New screen, LCD instrument panel, lower seat, more settings for the Honda Selectable Torque Control, and new emergency stop signals, all while retaining its outstanding fuel economy.